So today, I'm going to show you how to take pictures with your phone and submit them to Skyward for new student enrollment. There's a few different ways that you can go about this. I found this one to be the easiest. First off, I'm going to click the camera. And I'm going to take a picture at my highly not real birth certificate from my fake student. You will, of course, use the real one. And I'll take a picture, my document. What I like to do is make sure that the background is a little contrasting. The information is there. My proof of living. And then I have these pictures now. If I would like to, I can go ahead and crop them, but the truth is, I don't really need to. I'm going to go ahead and click back on my new student enrollment. Now, I always want to make sure that this part where it says login area says new student enrollment. I'm doing this all on an iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and put my information in. And then as I proceed, I'm going to flip my phone. And I'd prefer to do this in landscape if I can. So I'm going to review and update the application. I'm going to spin my phone. I'm going to go to the requested documents part where I press edit. And then when it says photo ID, I press choose file and I go to my photo library. And I look for the picture of the driver's license. And then it uploads in there. My proof of residence. And the last one that I have here is my fake birth certificate. As you have a student that enrolls, you may need to add more of these documents. But the easiest way to get those documents from paper into our system is just to take a picture of them. When I do this, I'm going to press complete step 5 and move to step 6. And everything then saves. For now, I'm going to press save and continue to fill out the application, making sure that I have everything. It lets me see that I have not completed everything, so I'm going to review and update the application. You can see check marks to where they are done. I've completed step 6. And at this point, I would submit the application to the district.